In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a table in Google Docs quickly and easily. Whether you're organizing a report, fixing your page layout, or you simply want your document to look cleaner and more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Doc and scroll to the table you want to move. Once you're there, right-click on the table and look for the option labeled Table Properties. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Inside the Table Properties panel, you'll see layout options that let you adjust alignment, indentation, and overall positioning. You can shift the table left, center it, or move it to the right depending on your document style. This method is perfect when you want controlled, precise placement without dragging anything around. Next, let's look at another simple method. Click and drag your cursor across the entire table to select it. You'll see the whole table highlight in blue. Now right-click again and choose Cut, or simply press Ctrl+X. After that, move your cursor to the spot where you want the table to appear. Right-click and select Paste or press Ctrl+V. This instantly moves the table to its new location. This method is great when you want to shift the table to a completely different section of your document. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your document doesn't have unnecessary extra spaces around the table, check your page margins, and avoid placing the table too close to large images. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent formatting issues. Once you've completed these steps, take a moment to preview the document to ensure everything looks neat. After that, you should be able to position your table exactly where you want it without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to adjust spacing above and below the table for a cleaner layout. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays organized and easy to read. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to move any table in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?